Welcome back to Cannon Coffee. In front of me is a laPavoni that was brought in by Stefan. We're going to pull a shot on this machine while I tell you what we did to it and what needed to be done with it. First and foremost, let's focus. There we go. The switch right there was busted out, completely removed, and we replaced it. The base was also cracked and needed to be replaced, so we did that. And then we did a general tune-up over the whole machine. Go ahead, Mark. The tune-up allowed for a cleaner, easier operation of that lever. It repaired the seals that were all damaged. And we're using a borrowed portafilter. How's that feel, Mark?
Good.
Yeah, this portafilter's from another machine because it didn't come in with its own portafilter or base. Grill, whatever it's called, the tray. But as you can see, the machine is up and operating. The switch works perfectly. The base is nice. The machine's in good shape. We cleaned it up just a little bit. So thanks for bringing it in, Stefan. You're welcome to pick up your machine. If you guys like these videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks a lot.